Alright, went to Walmart. I don't forgot what Walmart it was in Tennessee, but I found these reflective peel and stick pieces of tape. I'm trying to see the name, but these are common. The blue is very uncommon. I'm like, yeah, well, I'll take them anyway. So I got 2 of these and 2 of these. Then I got Rust-Oleum Sealer Primer and Gloss Deep Blue Spray Paint. Then I went to Home Depot in Franklin, Tennessee, and I have this paint right here, this gray, what is it? Gloss dark gray paint for my next lawnmower project. So y'all have a great one, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Thank you.